To give you a brief introduction of the show, Indian Trade Fair was initiated by MP Events back in 1999, nearly 16 years ago, as the country's first single-country trade show, with the purpose of creating an avenue for trade to take place among India and Sri Lanka. ITF creates a way by which Indian businesses can come over to Sri Lanka and meet potential counterparts and enter into trading, manufacturing, and other type of business deals. Once active links are formed, it will also increase employment within the country and contribute towards the increasing trade and exports. Over the years, Indian Trade Fair has seen over 350 Indian companies explore the market through the show, and we are glad that we have been able to create this platform. This year too, we are expected to have 70 to 80 Indian companies represented at Indian Trade Fair, thus representing hundreds of products and services. The show also enables knowledge and technology transfers among the two countries. Indian Trade Fair is a general trade show that could showcase exhibitors from all lines of business and industry. With this year's show covering nearly 30 product segments, namely construction and infrastructure, turbines, water purification and filtration systems, fire extinguishers, safety products, machine tools and accessories, agriculture, farm and farming equipment, industrial boilers, office automation products, laboratory equipments, and many more product ranges. What is significant this year is that we have partnered with the PhD Chamber of Commerce and Industry India, one of the oldest and largest chambers in India, in presenting this show.
These fairs, have carry multiple benefits. Not only is it they function as a forum for matchmaking, but also common problems and common solutions. Common problems are shared and common solutions are found. And we are very aware that there is a perception in Sri Lanka that the FTA has certain problems, and let me assure you that the authorities on both sides are actually working together to find a solution to these. In fact, just before the visit of the Honorable Prime Minister of India to Sri Lanka, we had the bilateral Commerce Secretary level talks in Colombo, where it was decided that all such problems will be told by the Department of Commerce of Sri Lanka to the Indian authorities and will be examined. And I hope that will happen very soon. And given the kind of synergies that India and Sri Lanka have, there is no reason why the trade and the economic relationship cannot go to the next level. And we have always held that we are ready to work with Sri Lanka in this regard at a pace at which our Sri Lankan friends are comfortable with. And I think this relationship will soon go to the next level. I'm also very happy that the Federation of Chambers of Industry and Commerce of Sri Lanka are also organizing the India-Sri Lanka, the third edition of the India-Sri Lanka Dialogue at the sidelines of the 9th the India Trade Fair. We have, as the High Commission, very good relationship with the FCCISL, with whom we work closely, and as like it was mentioned that through the FCCISL, many Sri Lankan businessmen have gone to India, and they have also helped us organize exposure visits for Indian businessmen. Finally, I would just like to say that I'm very, very confident that the 9th edition of the India Trade Fair will be very, very successful, and will work towards for strengthening the India-Sri Lanka economic and commercial relationship even more. Thank you very much.